Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. This video guys it's going to show you how you could check for the installed drivers in your computer. So probably you upgraded, you did a format, or you are not sure if the drivers of some of your computer component are installed or not, and you are wondering where to check for the installed driver. If this is your case, this video is for you. So first we'll have to go to the search tab or the search loop and we'll type device manager and we'll open this application. You will have to wait few seconds until it appears, and here guys you will have the list of all the installed and non-installed drivers. So all what you will have to do, you will have to look for a yellow triangle. Wherever you see yellow triangle or an unknown device name, then the driver is missing. In my case everything is fine. To If you have already downloaded the drivers and you would like to install them and to see if it's has been taken in consideration, all what you will have to do after clicking install, you will have to click scan for hardware changes, and this should work. Also, an additional point, if you would like to update your drivers, you will have to click with the right button of the mouse on the device for which you want to update the driver, and make sure to click on the arrow first to show all the available devices, and we'll click to select it, and then we'll click the right button of the mouse and we're gonna select update drivers. Here you have two options. Either you have already downloaded drivers, so you will have just to click browse my computer for driver software. I have it normally on my desktop in a folder called Lenovo drivers, so you can I will look for that file. This is also what you have to do. If you have it already installed, you put it into the download file, then you will have to go to the download file and you select the download file folder. Otherwise, you will have to go back. You click on the arrow, and here you make sure that you are connected to the internet, which is not the case for me. However, you can always click search automatically for update drivers software after you connect to the internet, and the operation should take few seconds to up to 2 or 3 minutes, and Windows will tell you if the drivers are updated or not, and if it finds any update it will install it for you. If this doesn't work for you and you still see a yellow triangle next to the device and you see that it's unknown device, all what you'll have to do, you click with the right button of the mouse, you select properties, and in properties we go to drivers, and here you can see driver details. If it's not working for you, then you go to details and you will look for compatible IDs, and also you will look for, as I said, you will look for compatible IDs. Under the compatible IDs you can always copy and go to Google and look to download the compatible drivers with your device. This will show you any compatible drivers which can work for the device or the hardware which is not having the driver installed yet. Or you can go back to hardware IDs, and here you will have your current hardware ID. You again just copy and you look for the drivers on Google or on your computer company. If it's HP, Lenovo, Dell, or whatever company, you go to their website and you look for drivers and you search for that specific driver to install it. If you have already the driver installed and it's not working properly, then I can always suggest to you to uninstall the device and then reinstall again the drivers. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are if you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. And if you would like to encourage us, you can always click like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.